Morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Hopper.
Today we did 2.2 dividing to get decimal quotients. Can you guys get decimal quotients now?
Yes.
You guys know what a decimal is?
Yes.
You know what to round is, right?
Yes.
All right, so we know all this. Real quick review though. Here's my division problem. 8 divided by 4, right?
Yes.
What is this number called?
Quotients.
What is this number called?
Divisor.
What is this number?
Dividend.
And what number always goes inside the box?
Dividend.
Okay. Question. Is 32 and 8/10 the same as 32 and 80/100ths?
Yes.
Is that the same thing as 32 and 810,000ths?
Yes.
Can I add a 0 at the end of a decimal number and keep the value the same?
Yes.
I could just keep adding zeros and it's not going to change the value, right?
Yes.
Okay. 57 divided by 2. Mr. Pottinger asked me to get a decimal quotient, yes?
Yes.
So when I did this problem, I did 57 divided by 2, right?
Yes.
I got all of this work right here. And then I got to like one leftover number, and I didn't have any more. I didn't have anything else. So I can't do a remainder. I can't do a mixed number. So when you have to do a decimal quotient and you're out of numbers, you can always add a decimal point and what?
3 zeros.
And 3 zeros. If I add the decimal point inside the box, though, do I have to add it on the top of the box too?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at this guy right here. So my problem is 5,801 divided by 10, right?
Yes.
I'm going to go really fast here. So I got 5,801 divided by 10.
Yes.
Okay, you guys just listen to this. Does 10 go into 5? No. Does 10 go into 58? Yep, 5 times. 5 times 10 is 50. I subtract and I get 8, right?
Yes.
Bring down the 0. Does 10 go into 80?
Yes.
How many times?
8.
What's 8 times 10?
80.
Subtract, I have 0.
Yes.
Bring down the 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, tricky here. Does 10 go into 1?
No.
No, but do I still need to put the 0 up here?
Yes.
What's 0 times 10?
0.
0. What's left over?
10.
No, what's left over? 1. Now, can you get your eyes up here? So I have 1 left over, yes? Now, the original problem was 5,801 divided by 10. I don't have anything else to bring down unless I had the decimal point in what? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And do I need to add the decimal point up here?
Yes.
Now I can bring this 0 down, yes, no?
Yes.
And does 10 go into 10?
Yes.
How many times?
1.
What's 1 times 10?
10.
When I subtract, I get what?
0.
I get 0. Can I be done with the problem then?
Yes.
Okay, the only part that I need to tell you, the only part that's any different than that, eyes are still up here. What if the number keeps going? So I added my 3 zeros here. I added my 3 zeros. I still have a remainder. I still have a number left, and I'm out of zeros. What are we always going to do if we continue to bring numbers down, or if we continue to have to keep bringing numbers down? What are we going to?
To the nearest 100.
Round to the nearest.
100.
We okay?